Welcome aboard the CALIPSO Train, a journey through Sri Lanka's breathtaking hill country. This lesser explored route is a masterpiece of railway engineering, passing through misty valleys, historic bridges, and lush tea plantations. Stay with us as we reveal why this missing destination deserves more attention. The CALIPSO Train was inaugurated in early 2024 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Sri Lanka's railway service between Badulla and Colombo. This iconic train ride spans from Badulla to Bandrawala, offering some of the most scenic landscapes in the country. But today, we're uncovering a hidden gem, the stretch from Badulla to Demodara, often missed by most tourists who board at Demodara. Step back in time, you enter the classic cabins of the CALIPSO Train, a beautiful tribute to Sri Lanka's railway heritage. With its polished wooden interiors, vintage bench-style seating, and carefully crafted window shutters, these cabins are designed to take you on a nostalgic journey. Every detail reflects the elegance of a bygone era, blending history with charm. Outside, the train's rustic wooden exteriors perfectly complement the natural beauty of the hill country. Riding the CALIPSO Train is more than a journey. It's a step into the past, with modern-day comfort and timeless sophistication. Welcome to the open cabin of the CALIPSO Trainer, unique spot designed for an unforgettable experience. With its open-air design, high bar stalls, and unobstructed views, this cabin lets you immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes of Sri Lanka's hill country. Feel the cool breeze, hear the rhythmic sound of the train, and enjoy the perfect blend of comfort and adventure. Traveling in the open cabin of the CALIPSO Train is an experience like no other. With the wind in your hair, the rhythmic sound of the tracks beneath you, and uninterrupted views of Sri Lanka's lush hill country, it feels like you're part of the scenery. As the CALIPSO Train approaches Badulla, it passes through the historic Badulla Tunnel, also known as the Lion's Mouth. This engineering marvel, carved through solid rock, is the final tunnel on Sri Lanka's iconic hill country railway line. As the CALIPSO train winds its way through the lush hills, the serene Badulla comes into view, weaving gracefully through the valleys. Its waters shimmer in the sunlight, reflecting the surrounding greenery like a natural mirror. The gentle sound of the flowing river complements the tranquil atmosphere, while the occasional glimpse of local villagers going about their day adds a touch of life to the serene landscape. Palyella Railway Station, nestled in the picturesque hills of Sri Lanka, carries a rich historical legacy. Constructed during the British colonial era, it was a vital link in the railway line connecting the southern region to the Central Highlands. The station, completed in the early 20th century, showcases the architectural influence of British colonial designs while blending seamlessly with the natural beauty surrounding it. As you embark on this scenic journey aboard the CALIPSO train, you'll notice how the railway track runs parallel to the Badulla, a river that has been a silent witness to the passage of time. The railway line, which was carefully constructed during the British colonial era, follows the winding path of the river, enhancing the natural beauty of the landscape. The soothing sound of the Badulla's waters, flowing gracefully alongside the train, creates a serene and unforgettable backdrop, reminding us of the harmony between human engineering and nature's timeless flow. During your CALIPSO train journey, there are countless ways to soak in the beauty of Sri Lanka's scenic landscapes. Relax in the comfort of the train's cozy carriages while enjoying the panoramic views of lush greenery, winding rivers, and rolling tea plantations. The train's open windows invite you to feel the cool breeze and take in the fresh air, making every moment feel like a connection to nature. You can also capture breathtaking photos of the ever-changing scenery, or simply gaze out as the train gently winds its way through misty hills and quaint villages. For those seeking an extra touch of adventure, the train's slow pace allows you to step outside at select stations and explore historic landmarks or local markets. Whether you're a nature lover, history enthusiast, or simply in search of a peaceful retreat, the CALIPSO train offers an unforgettable journey through Sri Lanka's heart. The Demodara Black Bridge, an iconic structure on Sri Lanka's railway line, is a remarkable example of colonial-era engineering. This striking black iron bridge spans across a deep valley, offering stunning views of the surrounding hills and tea plantations. Built during the British colonial period, the bridge not only serves as a vital part of the Demodara railway station route, but also stands as a testament to the ingenuity of its creators. The Demodara Tunnel, a remarkable engineering marvel, carved into the mountainside of Sri Lanka's central highlands. As the train enters the tunnel, it embarks on a unique journey through the heart of the hill country. This tunnel is famous for its part in the Demodara Loop, where the train seemingly goes around in a circle, emerging on a track above where it entered. The Demodara Loop is a significant historical and engineering landmark in Sri Lanka, showcasing the ingenuity of British colonial-era railway construction. Completed in 1928, it was designed to navigate the steep slopes of the Central Highlands and connect the town of Demodara with the rest of the railway network. The loop's unique design involves the train circling around a hill, descending and then ascending again, allowing it to conquer the challenging terrain without the need for switchbacks or sharp gradients. This loop, which includes the famous Demodara Tunnel and the Black Bridge, reflects the innovative approach taken to overcome the natural obstacles posed by the island's mountainous landscape. The Demodara Loop stands as a testament to the skill of engineers who used both practical and aesthetic methods to blend their construction with the natural environment. Today, it remains a vital part of Sri Lanka's railway heritage, offering passengers a glimpse into the country's colonial past while providing a stunning, scenic journey through the heart of its highlands. Demodara Station, nestled in Sri Lanka's highlands, is a historic railway hub with a unique design, including the famous Demodara Loop. It's a symbol of colonial-era engineering, where trains navigate steep terrain through tunnels and bridges. To learn more about the fascinating history and construction of Demodara Station, be sure to watch my video for all the details.
Hi people, I'm on trip in Sri Lanka. I enjoyed it very much. It's lovely and nice country, a lot of green around and we enjoy it. So hope next time I'll come again. Bye!
Don't miss out on the breathtaking beauty and historical importance along the way from Badulla to Demodara when you board the CALIPSO train in Demodara or Rella. To truly experience the full magic of this journey, hop on the train from Badulla. As you travel through lush tea plantations, historic bridges and stunning landscapes, you'll immerse yourself in a complete adventure. Get the full experience of Sri Lanka's scenic highlands, the engineering wonders, and the serene atmosphere that make this ride unforgettable. I hope you enjoyed this journey through Demodara. Make sure to join me in the next episode of Calypso Travel as we explore the stunning route from Demodara to Bandrawala. See you there for more breathtaking views and exciting stories.